Hi, this is Arpit Nagadia from Tricentis. Today we are going to learn how to use TBox SendKeys module. So TBox SendKeys module is by default present in the standard subset. So I will quickly move to Tosca and show you where it is present. So in the module section, a standard subset basic window operation, you can find TBox SendKeys module. And then I will quickly drag and drop this module to my test case. And here I am closing the window by using TBox SendKeys. So I quickly run this. It opens and it's closed. By this, you can use TBox SendKeys module. Thank you so much.